So this is the mess I'm currently dealing with. Hey guys, it's me Ryan and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I organise, or how I'm trying to organise all of my fabrics, my notions, and basically my entire sewing room, because I am currently midway through a project that I am filming. It is a big project and I'm really working hard on that video, but I've realised halfway through that my sewing room is such a mess and all my fabrics are a mess. And I'm really not organised when it comes to like my fabrics and my notions and things. When I think a fabric is, it isn't there, or there's just like cut up fabrics, like all the scraps just piled everywhere, and it really just needs a good sorting out. And also just I really do need to de-stash, and also in this video I will be picking the fabrics that I'm going to be putting in the giveaway that I've been telling you guys I'm doing for a few weeks now, because we did hit 1,000 subscribers about a month ago now, so that is really cool. And yeah, so today I just want to show you guys how I'm going to be organising my fabrics and hopefully keep it all nice and organised. I have a ton of zippers and buttons and notions, but I also have a lot of fabric, a lot more fabric than I actually realised I had, which I don't know is a good thing or a bad thing. But yeah, so today I'm going to attempt to organise it all. This is the current mess on the sewing room, and also on that cutting table is a project underneath all that I'm currently working on. So yeah, so today I'm just going to be organising all of this, and I thought I would film it and vlog it, because I have done a sewing room sort of organisation thing before. That was back when my sewing room was in my bedroom, but now of course I have my own little studio. Things are a bit different, but also a lot messier, which is weird because it's a bigger space. And that video done really well, and you guys seem to enjoy it. I personally do like watching people organise the stash, probably because I'm a bit nosy. I do like to see what fabrics people have and things like that. So yes, that's what we're going to be doing today. So if you want to see how I organise and want to follow along, just keep watching. So before I set you guys down, I'm just going to give you an overview of what I'm trying to do. So basically, I keep my fabric in these like fabric storage boxes that I bought off Amazon. I will link them down below. And basically I try to organise my fabric, whether it's woven or stretch. I don't typically organise it by like fabric type, like denim and things like that, because I don't have a lot of space. So what I'm trying to do is basically, earlier on, under there was just full of fabric. It was full of cut up lining, so that purple fabric there is lining that's been cut up but just haven't been folded. It's literally just been really messy. We have some spare pattern pieces and paper over there. That blue bag at the back is just literally full of zips. Those are some fabrics that are in that pile that I want to put in the giveaway. We have fabric here, we have a project under there, we have a big thing, a ton of buttons, and yeah, it's just a mess, and I really need to just clean it up and get things organised. So what I've started doing already is, in this bag here, as you can see, there's a lot of denim there because I do like working with denim. That is some tweed fabric. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to organise this bag into like a kind of woven section, I guess. And then hopefully this bag here I will be putting some more knit fabric, so I'll be putting jerseys and things like that. I'm really just trying to organise things by type, I guess you could say, or by at least like how it's like the weave of the fabric, because I think that would be easier. In here I'm not going to touch this bag because I know that is literally just like scraps and things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put that purple lining fabric, because it's been cut up, I'm either going to fold it or I'm going to put it in there. And then also under there we have a box at the back that is full of fabric that I know it's in that, so I'm keeping that as it is. And then that box there, the big brown box right to the back, is just full of surplus Levi denim jeans, because I'm upcycling them as I go along. So I'm just going to be trying organising all of this because it is a right mess, and there's also a few things that I need to get rid of because I don't need that anymore, but I'm probably going to sell it. I'm not going to throw it away. There's towels for some reason, I obviously don't need them. The scrap calico I need to put somewhere, as well as these spare pattern paper. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. So I'm going to set you guys down and we will try and get this all organised. I don't see myself using that, so I think I might put that in a giveaway. So I'll put that over there. This pile here is kind of like giveaway fabrics. And then over there are fabrics I'm keeping, and then here are wovens that I'm also keeping. These I don't know what to do with because they're not good enough to give away, so I might just leave them for now. This I'm not sure what I'm going to do with, so I'm going to put that over there. The fabrics that I don't know what I'm going to do with, I might just like donate, because that's the like next best thing. Of course I'm not going to throw them out. Okay, so this is I cannot remember. Well, it's called gingham. That's gingham fabric, which I'm going to keep. So I'm going to put that there. This is faux silk taffeta, which I'm also going to keep because I actually have a pattern I'm developing. I actually have a pattern that I'm mid-developing for that fabric, so I'm definitely keeping that. This is kind of like a wool suiting type, so that's keeping. These three, this black one is a black jersey, this is a navy jersey, or sweatshirt I should say, and then there's also a khaki one underneath that. So they are actually going to stay in this bag because I want this to be kind of like stretch and jersey garments, or fabrics. This is a woven cotton, so this can definitely go in there. This is some sort of woven check, which I really like, so that can stay in there. So I'm definitely going to be making something out of that for winter time. This is also some sort of, I think it's like a wool cotton blend. If you guys saw my fabric haul not long ago, you know I love this fabric. It's a fabric I bought up north whilst I was away, so that can stay in there. And then here we have some t-shirting fabrics, or shirting fabrics I should say. So that is just kind of like a grey like check patterned, and that is just a plain blue, so they will also stay in there because they're woven. So that's currently how I'm organising everything. And then this is a really nice cotton poplin, but again I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I am going to keep it though because I do like it, so I am going to keep that in there. And then at the bottom of this bag, which I will be keeping these in there, we just have some ribbon. So there, that is just some white ribbon which can stay in there, and then we also have some black which can stay in there because there is no reason to move them. And then here we have some drill. This is a drill fabric. It's just a really heavy cotton fabric. It's made for workwear. I was going to make an apron out of this when I was doing prints, but I don't do them anymore. But I am going to keep this because it will come in handy for something. So that is a woven, so that will go in there. And then this, what is this? This is a jersey from Flamingo Fabrics that can go back in there. And then under my cutting table, just standing there, is I think this is either 1 or 2 meters of linen. This is either like 1 or 2 meters of linen. It's really wide, but I absolutely love linen fabric, so it can go in there. And linen isn't the cheapest either. A lot of the fabrics I have now are more expensive because I am buying more quality fabrics as I'm advancing in my sewing, and as I'm like wanting to do better, I guess you can say. So then on my cutting table, this is a I think this is 51% cotton and like 40 something percent polyester, and then it's got 3% elastane in it. This fabric is called Hastings. It's a really high quality cotton polyester blend. It's from Croft Mill. A lot of these fabrics are from Croft Mill. I buy from there a lot because if I buy online, I buy from there a lot because they are really good quality. This will come in handy for either suiting or some trousers. So this is where we've got so far. So over there are just fabrics that I absolutely have no idea what I'm going to do. Like there's not meters of them there. There is literally just kind of like just big offcuts, I guess. So I think I will donate them to something, I don't know what. There are all my wovens, the fabrics that you guys just saw me put in. There are all my jersey, sweatshirting, like knitted fabrics, which I'm really happy with. I'm going to keep them in there. And also here are some fabrics that I think I'm going to put in the giveaway, simply because, like I said, the fabrics in the giveaway are going to be the fabrics I don't use and are just kind of sitting around. So there will be a lot of like Ponte Roma fabrics in there and like knit fabrics, so I will keep them there. But I can also see, whilst I'm standing here, that in that bag there, that fabric right there is a corduroy. I remember buying that just before Christmas, I think. It's a like green khaki corduroy. I was going to make a vintage denim jacket out of it. Well, denim. I was going to make a vintage jacket out of it, but I actually just didn't get to it. So I think I'm going to take that out of there, fold it up and put it in there, and maybe see what else is in that bag. And then I'm going to put these bags back under there, and then we will move on to organising this mess, because as you can see under there are actually 2 fronts of a suit jacket that have been complete, that need to actually be you know, organised and not have all of this stuff dumped on top. I do also need to buy like some compartment storage for my buttons, but for now they are just staying in this tin. This tin of buttons was actually given to me by Alan. If you guys saw my fabric haul when I come back from England about 2 months ago now, he actually gifted me this like whole tin, and it's literally just full of buttons. I went through them earlier, and there's literally a lot in there that I do plan on using, and there's buttons in there that I'm going to be able to use for my current project, which is under there. But for now they are all just going to stay in here, but eventually I do want to get like compartments and organize them by like color, because that's just the way I want to do it, and I think that would just be easier for me. So for now they can just stay in there. One thing I do need to organize is, what I'm thinking of doing is actually moving my like pegboards around, not as like the pegboards themselves, but over there are my pattern cutting supplies. As you can see, my scissors and rulers and everything is over there. And because initially my cutting table was there, if you guys have been around here a while, my cutting table was over that side of the room. But it doesn't really make sense to have them over there, because my cutting table's here, and this is where I cut and make patterns. So I'm thinking of just simply moving these containers here. So there are just bias bindings up there and tapes, and then in there are basically all zips, some embroidery hoops and things. So I'm thinking of just moving them and putting all of my pattern cutting things there, keeping them threads there, my overlocking threads. I'm kind of just reorganizing, because my even my normal sewing machine thread collection is growing, because I am starting to buy like buttonhole twist thread and things like that for buttonholes, because I'm starting to do them by hand. Because as I said, I am trying to like make my sewing more bespoke and just more high-end. So what I'm going to do now is put these back under there. I'm really happy with how that has turned out. This side, I don't know, but there's something about the way these last 2 pegboards are organised I don't like, so I'll just do them another time. But I have also got my giveaway fabrics. So here are some fabrics, or the fabrics I will be giving away. Top one is 3 meters of Ponte Roma. The middle one is also 3 meters of Ponte Roma, and then the bottom one is kind of like a I think it's like a polyester blend of some sort, but it's a really nice fabric for jumpsuits or for summer. You could even use it for lining for some things, I'd say. But these are the 3 fabrics that I will be giving away, and if you guys want to know how you can win these, please stay tuned and I will tell you. This top fabric here is a beautiful Ponte Roma. It is 3 meters there, and it is actually really nice quality. This is just kind of got like this rope pattern on it, which is actually really nice. This one here is some Ponte Roma as well. It's actually really nice. Again, the bottom one is just a it's kind of like I want to say it's lightweight. It's light to medium weight. It's got a bit of stretch in it. It's kind of like this pinstripe pattern. I'm not too sure what kind of fabric it is. Definitely some sort of polyester blend, but it's actually not too bad. The reason why I just don't use it is because it's just not my cup of tea anymore. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this, please do enter the giveaway. In order to win these fabrics, all you need to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Also comment down below what you would make out of these fabrics if you won, and also be sure to follow me on my Instagram page that is linked in the description box of every single video. And once you've done those 3 things, you are automatically entered in the giveaway, and the giveaway will be closing 2 weeks exactly from the upload date of this video. So I will put that date on the screen right now, and I will announce the winner over on my Instagram page. So you have to be following me there in order to know what you have won. And when you guys follow me on my Instagram page, be sure to comment on my recent post, saying that you're what you want to enter the giveaway, because then I will know who from whoever comments on the post and lets me know. I will then pick the winner from that on Instagram. So you just have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, comment down below what you would make from these videos, and go over on my Instagram page and follow it, and comment on the giveaway post. You guys will know what post it is because it will have these 3 fabrics in it, and comment what you're entering the giveaway, or again what you would make out of these fabrics, and you will be automatically entered. And again, the giveaway will close 2 weeks from the upload date of this video, and I will announce the winner over on my Instagram page. So if you guys want to enter, just do those 3 things, and I wish you all the luck. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do realise that it might be a bit all over the place, but I really just needed to organise my sewing room today and just get some, and just really get all my fabrics organised, because they were literally everywhere. Again, I am working on a really big project right now, which I'm really excited for, and it is all being filmed. And again, I'm really working hard on that video, and that will hopefully be out in the next 2 or 3 weeks. I'm aiming for, because I'm really trying to up my content quality on both my Instagram and also on my YouTube, because you know, it is something I want to be proud of. And as I start to kind of get into areas of sewing that I'm more interested in and want to do, I really want to start making really good educational videos, not necessarily tutorials. You guys will definitely still be seeing tutorials. I am getting more into historical dress. I've always loved fashion history. It was one of my favourite modules in my first year of university, but it's definitely something I want to explore more of, recreating old garments. I have a few trips planned to London and things like that, and places like that, to see garments that are from like the Victorian times or before, to research and actually start gathering more information on, because it's something I'm really interested in and want to start diving into, because costume and things like that is something I've always loved. But yeah, so today I've just been organising, as you guys saw. Let me know down below how you guys organise your fabrics. I would love to know, because I know everyone's different. I really hope you've enjoyed this video and it's given you some sort of organising inspiration. Please be sure to enter the giveaway. Again, so all you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, comment down below what you would make, and also follow me on Instagram and comment on the giveaway post what you would make with the fabrics if you would win. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.